What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can block any website on Google Chrome. What you want to do guys, first you want to search for web store. As you can see, you just want to search for web store and then click enter, and then you want to click on Chrome web store. As you can see, now what you want to do guys, you want to search the store. You want to click on search the store and search for block site. As you can see, block site, and then click enter. And you want to select the first extension. This is how it looks. It says here block site. Click on it, and then you want to click add to Chrome here, and then click on add the extension and wait a few seconds before it installs. Now after that you want to click this. If it's not in the top, if you can see it here, you want to click here extensions. As you can see, this icon here, click on it, and then pin the extension in the top. You want to click on pin this one. Now after that you will see it in the top. What you want to do guys, you want to click on it and click on agree, and then click, and then you want to just leave everything as it is, and then search for the website that you want to download to block. Let's say that I want to block Facebook. Now you want to go to the home page of Facebook, okay? And whenever you want to block a website, it's very easy, and very easy. Like when you go to the website that you want to block, let's say facebook.com or Instagram or any website, you want to just click on the extension in the top, click on it, and then you want to click on block this site. As you guys, to give you two different options, you want to click on block this site. And it says here site added to your blocked list. Now if you reload this page, it will not let you use Facebook. You can do the same steps on Instagram. Search for Instagram. Now I'm just going to click on the extension again in the top left, in the top right, I'm sorry, and then click on block site. Okay, now next time you want to use Instagram, it will not let you use Instagram. But if you want to unblock these, you want to just click on edit, click on the side, then click edit block list. The first time they will ask, they will give you instructions like how to use the website. You click next, it's dismiss. And after if you want to delete the website from blocked list, you want to just click this here. As you can see, click on it again, click on it, and then you can remove all the websites here. So hopefully this video guys helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. If you need any help, let me know in the comments, leave a like. See